Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a basic dollar store power strip into a DIY smart lighting controller, perfect for controlling LED lights, Christmas lights, or any small electronic decorations. So here's what we're working with: a basic power strip with 3 outlets. Normally, these outlets just provide continuous power, but we're going to modify this strip so we can control each outlet individually using an Arduino and a solid-state relay. The idea is to create animated lighting effects by turning each connected LED light on and off in sequence. Let's start by opening up the power strip. Inside, you'll find 3 wires: hot, live, neutral, and ground. For this project, we're only working with the hot, live, and neutral wires. We'll leave the ground wire untouched. I've already soldered 3 wires to the hot terminals of each individual outlet, 1 for each plug point. I've also soldered a 4th wire for the line input. Next, we're using a 4-channel solid-state relay module. We'll only use 3 of the 4 channels to control our outlets. This relay board requires 5 VDC power. It has input pins to receive signals from the Arduino, and output terminals to control the AC loads. Each relay turns off when it receives a high signal, 5V, and on when it receives a low signal. The 3 wires from the outlets are connected to the relay outputs, and the input live wire goes through the relay as well. This way, we can interrupt or supply power to each socket individually. To power both the Arduino Nano and the relay board, we'll use a small AC to DC converter, specifically a 110V AC to 5V DC transformer. The 5V output is split into 2. One powers the Arduino Nano. The other powers the relay module.
In this project, we'll create a dedicated plastic box to neatly house all the electronic components and the electrical outlet. I've used a 3D printer to custom make mine, but feel free to use any sturdy box you have on hand. It just needs to fit your setup.
Now we're going to fit everything back into the power strip's casing. The original 3-outlet faceplate stays in place. We'll hot glue the components inside: relay module, Arduino Nano, and the power supply. All wires are routed neatly and secured. Finally, we close the casing using the original cap. We also reattach the power cord to supply 110V AC to the transformer.
Here's how to connect everything to the Arduino Nano. The relays go to pins 3, 4, and 5, and the indicator LED connects to pin 13. Double-check all ground and power lines. Up next, I'll explain the code and the lighting animation pattern used in this project. This Arduino project creates a festive Christmas lighting animation using 3 relays on pins 3, 4, and 5, and an indicator LED on pin 13. When powered on, it sets all pins as outputs, turns off the relays, and lights up the indicator LED. It then runs a repeating sequence. First, all relays blink together 15 times with a half-second delay, followed by a random blinking pattern. Then, it blinks all relays again 25 times faster, runs another random pattern, and finally turns all relays on for 10 seconds. This creates a fun, eye-catching lighting display perfect for holiday decorations. To upload the code to the Arduino Nano, I'm using a standard Arduino board connected to my computer and sending the code through the Arduino IDE. Once the upload is complete, I'll begin assembling all the electronic components.
Here's the final product: a smart, DIY electronic power strip. Once programmed, the Arduino can control each outlet individually. You can customize it for animations, timed lighting sequences, or remote control via serial, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Let's plug it in and test it. And there you go! Controlled LED lighting from a custom-built smart power strip. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this build or have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more DIY electronics projects.